This function is super useful in Python when you're working with structured data, like coordinates, employee records, or any group of related values. So let's say our intern was working on a delivery tracking project. He had a list of coordinates representing delivery drop-off points. Each item in the list was just a tuple, latitude and longitude. Now his task was to go through these and generate a simple report that clearly showed the latitude and longitude of each location. At first, he just used a basic for loop to loop through each tuple, and for each location, he was accessing the values using an index for latitude and longitude. So when he ran the program, he got the output as the latitude and longitude of the coordinates. Now, while this worked, he realized the code wasn't very readable. Indexing made it harder to know what each value represented, especially when the data structure grew or changed. So then, we introduced him to a better way, using a named tuple. So first, he imported the named tuple from the collections module, and then he defined a new tuple structure called location, with two fields, latitude and longitude. This line tells Python, hey, I want to create a tuple-like object where I can refer to values by name instead of just index. And then, he rewrote his original list like this. Each time he wrote location, it was just like calling a constructor. He was creating a new instance of the named tuple with two values, latitude and longitude. So now, instead of just a pair of numbers, each item in the list had named fields attached to it. This small change made the data much more descriptive and self-explanatory. And the best part was that these location objects still behaved just like a regular tuple. Then, he updated his loop. Now, instead of using index positions, he could directly use the field names, latitude and longitude. And when he ran the program again, the output stayed the same. But now the code was far more readable, clean, and easy to work with, especially for anyone else reading or maintaining it later.